Hello everyone, today I will talk about Stop and Deaddraft Decryptor, which is created by Emisisoft and Michael Gillespie, and it's published on October 18, 2019. Nowadays, more and more victims are affected by ransomware. Stop is one of the most active ransomware in the world. The number of victims even reached nearly 500,000 victims worldwide. Once the Stop ransomware infects, it renames a user's files with one of any number of extensions, replacing JPG and PNG files with Redmine, Deaddraft, and Puma. For example, victims can unlock their files in exchange for a ransom demand, usually a few $100 in cryptocurrency. This is a dangerous phenomenon. Therefore, Emisisoft and Michael Gillespie invent this tool to help many people escape from dangers. Stop and Deaddraft Decryptor currently capable of decrypting 148 virus versions out of 160. This tool can help recover cracked files. It is easy to decrypt files locked with offline key. First, download Stop and Deaddraft Decryptor. Second, open the decryptor. You will have to click Yes in User Account Control window. Third, agree to license terms by clicking Yes. Next, add locations to decrypt by clicking Add Folder and selecting locations from your computer. At last, click Decrypt to start decrypting your files. Hopefully, more and more people will know about this tool and help them avoid being blackmailed. Thank you.